As we can see, this is my channel. To turn on comments on YouTube, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can turn on comments on YouTube. Simply guys, as you can see here my channel, and I want to turn on comments on YouTube. Click in manage videos here, or simply in the top right corner select or click in this icon, then select YouTube Studio. Okay, here guys in the left pane, go down or scroll down to settings. That's it. Also in the left pane, scroll down or go down to community. In the default tab, here there are a list. Select allow all comments. Okay, and if you want to disable again, set to disable comments. When you finish, click save. That's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.